Welcome to Simant Tutorials. I'm Simant Mulye, a math educator and teacher trainer with 25 years of experience. In this video, we'll explore a concept that's not just in your textbook, but also useful in real life. Wondering why you should bother with quadratic equations? Picture yourself managing an online store, setting prices while aiming for maximum profit. The concept of balance between costs and sales comes alive through a quadratic equation, illustrating the core of entrepreneurship. By mastering these equations, you can ensure that every dollar spent translates into lucrative returns, laying the groundwork for a successful business journey. If architecture or interior design sparks your interest, envision grand curved ceilings and stylish arches. Quadratic equations are the unsung heroes behind these stunning designs. The parabolic shapes created through these equations not only enhance aesthetics, but also provide structural integrity, ensuring that beauty meets functionality in every space you design. Entering the world of gaming or app development, every jump or graceful fall of a character is choreographed using quadratic equations, allowing for lifelike movement and engaging gameplay. These equations enable developers to simulate natural physics, creating immersive experiences that capture players' imaginations. Lastly, if finance calls out to you, picture analyzing profit margins, investment returns, or calculating break-even points. Quadratic equations are instrumental here, empowering you to make informed decisions based on in-depth analysis. By honing your skills in this area, you unlock a vital tool in your career arsenal, paving your path to success. Embrace the myriad applications of quadratic equations, as they are not merely academic. They are the framework for navigating life's challenges with confidence.